All right, I wanted to review this little bird bath. It is fairly small, but it's actually a little bit deeper than some of the other ones that I have purchased in the past. It does have the bowl right here, and the bowl you can lift it up if you need to clean it. The stand will stay in place. It does have the little rim that keeps it in place, and then it does stake down to the very bottom. Right there you can see that I have it staked. It's a pretty nice bird bath, and I think the birds would actually enjoy it. I love the color. Really pretty, really nice. Definitely recommend it.